In this video, I will show you how to add background music on Opus Clip. So to get started, go ahead and open Opus in your browser and then head over into the clips that you have created for the video that you have. And then select a clip that you want to add a music to and then click on that sister icon at the bottom right of that clip. So once you're on the clip, you'll be able to find the tools section at the right side of your screen. So in here, just go ahead and scroll down and then look for that music icon and then click on that. And then from here, go ahead and click on this play button at the photo of that specific song that you prefer to check to be able to have a preview of how the song sounds like. And then to be able to add that to your clip, you need to go ahead and click on that. But currently, since there are license related issues on Opus Clip, we will not be able to add that into our canvas, but you can go ahead and upload your own song to be able to add to your canvas. And that is how you can easily add background music on Opus Clip.